Bonjour everyone, Madam Blue here, back with another video. Yes, this is my sister. Yes, I just pulled her hair. This is my sister. I have to make that disclaimer every time, child. So this time we are doing a traditional sew-in with beautiful, beautiful, beautiful hair, 30-inch bundles. Well, actually, I think she had two 30-inch bundles and two 28. The first bundle you'll see that I installed is Cambodian curly. The next three are Indian curly. This vendor I've been using for a long time, and I always use their Indian sourced hair, but they recently came out with a Cambodian, and I will say that is my preferred origin. Sorry, y'all, I got this thing with pinching my sister's cheeks. I got the Cambodian hair for my birthday as well, but I got the natural wave, and it's just a slight darker color, which I prefer because the Indian hair is always like a brown, and also it's just like, it's something lighter about the hair, and I just love it. So yeah, I was gonna do curls. You'll see later, like when I'm straightening, you'll see a little curl off to the side, but it was not coming out right, and I didn't have the right tool that I wanted to use, so I ended up doing it bone straight. Also, the hair straightens beautifully. I blow dried it first, and let me tell you, that was not for the week. I said, oh Lord. As usual, the vendor will be linked in my description. This is the vendor that I've been using recently. I used to use, my vendor list has this vendor and Chinese vendors that I used to use. I still use the Chinese vendors, but I prefer this vendor because they just have a website. I just go in there and place the order, versus the Chinese vendors, you have to communicate via WhatsApp, and they have to send you an invoice and you pay with PayPal. All that is fine, but I just prefer to go to the website. Also with this vendor, they do allow Sezzle, I want to say Afterpay, or one of them other ones, but I know they allow you to do installment payments. So anywho, I'm gonna try not to talk too much. I'm just doing a basic sew-in, babe. Bone straight, middle down. Oop, not middle down, middle part. And yeah, that's it.